Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about the NKD SKN Organic Gradual Glow Daily Tan Moisturizer. That was a mouthful. So this moisturizer is like I said, it is a self-tanner, self-indoor tanner. So it's not something that you're going to put on when you go lay out in the sun, or if you're going to go tanning. Just put this on and that's it, and then it gradually will make you look tanner. So this is, it says it's for all skin tones and it is for face and body. It is an 8.45 fluid ounce bottle, so it's kind of big if you're trying to travel with it. Can't get through like TSA, you're gonna have to put it in a checked bag or put a little bit into a travel size container, like a little bottle that you can get anywhere like Amazon or something, so that you can travel with it. I have been using this for a month now, and I definitely see a difference. I will say it is I have used several different self-tanners before, and I will say that this is one of the best ones that I've used. I do have to be really careful with it, as with all self-tanners, to make sure to wash your hands after you use it, because then like in between your fingers it'll get orange, and I had an issue with that like the first week of it. But I wasn't like being super religious about washing my hands super thoroughly right after. After I started doing that, then the orange started to disappear and it looked fine. It's like pretty natural, like I said, it doesn't make you look really orange. It is just gives you like a nice glow, if anything, more so. It is organic. Like the very first product is aloe, which is, and the very first product in the ingredient list is aloe vera, which is pretty cool. That being said, it does make sure to tell you that this is not a sunscreen like in the warnings, and it does not protect against sunburn. So if you like are going out in the sun, you need actual sunscreen. Like don't put this on because it's not going to help you. And if you got a sunburn, you need actual aloe or something that's meant for sunburn, because again, this is not going to help you. So the description of it at the top says that this gorgeous daily moisturizer with a hint of tan will give you stunning, soft, smooth, and sun-kissed naked skin. A subtle glow develops over 4 to 8 hours and can be deepened daily with zero smell, zero transfer onto clothes, and organic extracts that hydrate skin for the ultimate natural glow. Designed for all skin tones. And it says easy application, dries instantly, odor remove technology for zero smell, natural extracts, and fades perfect. If you do it right, I will say that it does fade really well. I don't think it dries instantly. Like I still like be careful not to sit down like right after I put it on, or like to touch anything with like my skin. Or to touch anything. What else are you going to touch with? Anyway. Oh my gosh. Because I don't think it dries super instantly. It does dry pretty quickly though. And as far as the odor, it really doesn't have super strong smell. I think it does have a little bit of a smell though. Like it's not super like odorless. Which I think that's almost like not really possible to make anything super odorless. It doesn't have a bad smell though. It's pretty good. So as far as the directions, it says that to exfoliate thoroughly, so make sure you do this like after you take a shower. This product is moisturizing, so do not moisturize or use moisturizing shower lotions before application, as this will stop your tan developing. Use daily to build your desired depth of color, and then allow at least 6 hours before showering. And then you can also go to the website nkdskn.com for like a more detailed explanation of how to do it. I usually do it after I take a shower, because you just want to make sure your skin is super clean, and you want to make sure that it's really exfoliated and get any dead skin off so that it's not streaky. That's like one thing that's self-tanners are notorious for, and like self-tanners and spray tans, is you don't want to get like a streaky look. So you have to be careful to just be really precise and make sure that you are rubbing it in as much as possible when you're putting it on. I would definitely take advantage. I would definitely like YouTube videos on how to apply a self-tanner. so that you can watch other people do it, because yeah, it can be a little bit difficult to do it and do it well so that you don't turn orange and so that it's not streaky. So I'll go ahead and open this. It's a twist cap. I have used it before, I promise. It comes with this little foil applicator over it, which I still have on it for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know if you can see it on here. It is white, so it's not like a weird color. It's white, but I honestly don't really know how it works. So, like, even though it's white, it still gives you like the tan. It makes you all nice and glowy. It's a very tiny hole, like you probably can't really see it. It's a pretty small hole, which is good because you don't want to get too much product out, just make a mess. You just have to be really careful with self tanner. I don't personally use this on my face. It says that you can use it on your face. I don't, because I'm kind of scared to. I'll just like get a darker foundation so that it matches the rest of me. But it does say that it's for face, so if you are brave, you can go out and try it and let me know how that works out. I'd be really interested in that. But yeah, overall this is a really good, I think this is a really good moisturizing self tanner, and I would definitely recommend this to anyone who is just trying to get like just a little bit of a glow without going like crazy overboard. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.